What's good, grind schoolers? It's your boy Rob and I'm back with another video. So today we're gonna get on these brakes. Now what's happening is I think on this side one of the wheel bearings might be messed up. I think that's a problem. I'm hoping that's a problem. We're gonna have to get to it, take the wheel off, see what's wrong with it. But in the process I'm about to change the brake pads and the rotors, because if I'm gonna take the rotor off anyway, I might as well put some new stuff back on there. And also the brake pads, I looked under there last week and it looks like the brake pads are wearing thin. So I'm gonna go ahead and replace the bearings, the rotors, the brake pads and everything, and hopefully that fixes the issue that I'm having. I'll put a clip in here about what it kind of sounds like, and maybe you might be able to hear it, you may not be able to, but like I said, there's an issue going on with this right front tire, and I don't know if it's a result of the crash or whatever happened with this Impala. As you can see, the Impala is in the garage next to the Camaro. The reason why that is because my neighbors complained on the car, said it was an eyesore, things like that. They came, marked the tire on the car, told me I had 72 hours to move it, and now it's in the garage. But also what I did do was I put those tires up. I got the tires from out of the corner that were on the Camaro, got them out the corner, got them hung up. I'm super happy because that's saving me a lot more garage space. But let me show you guys what is about to go on here. The box busted open, whatever. Anyways, this is what is about to go on there. Drilled and slotted rotors. I got drilled and slotted for the front and the back of the car. It already has disc brakes all the way around. These Impalas have disc brakes along with the 9C1 police version of the Caprice or whatever. They have 4-wheel disc brakes, and I'm going to upgrade them to drilled and slotted rotors. So I'm gonna go ahead and get out of my work attire, man, and I'll be back and we'll get on these brakes, knock it out. It's easy, simple. I don't even know if I really wanted to show you guys the process of doing the brakes, because let's be honest, there's a million videos of how to do brakes on YouTube. I don't know if anybody's done it on Impala, but it's pretty much all the same. So I'll film it, speed it up, whatever. I may stop at some points to show you guys, you know, the different type of bolts, the sockets you need or whatever, just for the specifics on the Impala. But anyways, without further ado, let's get into the video. Hope y'all enjoy. Alright, grind schoolers, so we're in the Impala and girl cranks right up. I got a Camaro up front right there. But I'm gonna try to see if you guys can pick this up on camera and hear what's going on. You know what I'm saying? So basically what the deal is when I go so when I start driving, it sounds like a crunching sound, like a crack 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 crack. So as I speed up, it goes away. So I'm not really sure if necessarily that's a wheel bearing or not. That's my only conclusion, and I hope that it is the wheel bearing, because I really want to drive this car and I really want to test it out and see how it is living with an Impala. So let's go ahead and get to the driving portion and see if we could possibly see if we could pick it up on camera. So for whatever reason, it's not picking up right now. Oh, there it is. I don't know if you guys can hear that or not. Can you hear it? So when I speed up and go faster, it kind of goes away. So I'm not sure if that's a wheel bearing or not. But I guess we'll see. So as of right now, it's good. You know, no crunching sound, no none of that. But it's definitely coming from this front right tire. See, there we go. Hopefully you guys can hear that and it's picking up on camera real well. But anyways, like I said, we're about to get it in with this Impala, man, and see what the issue is. Hopefully it's the wheel bearing, but you know, it sounds like it pretty much is. So we'll see. I'll see y'all in a second. So now that I got the tire off, we can kind of see what's going on here. I had to turn the wheel to the left so that I can expose the 2 caliper bolts right here. I got a 3/8 hex wrench or whatever attached to it. It took me some getting used to it, whatever, but that's what it looks like on both the bottom and the top. And then that should release the caliper. We can take the brake pads out, compress the caliper, take off this cotter pin. This just pulls right out. Take off the capsule nut. I guess we don't have to pull the ball or wheel bearings out because we bought some new ones that are gonna go on this bad boy. So stay tuned. We'll get this thing off, do the other side, and we'll be done.
If I said that ain't the reason why my heart beat, brainwash that piece of paper, got my thoughts sink. Can't trust a soul, just a man in the sky. I'm trying to be the richest nigga alive before I die, that's why.
Money is the root of all evil. Money is the root of all evil. Won't contaminate myself with it. Take it away, take it away, take it away. If a woman calls a man honey, and it's on account of his money, honey and money will soon be gone. Take it away, take it away.
Man make the money, but man chasing money. That shit don't add up, but fuck it, it sound funny. We out here trying to get it, working like slaves, trying to get paid and take that shit to the bank. Then what we do, buying clothes and buying shoes. The allure of it all is keeping us all confused. Money ain't shit, the root of all evil. We're still trying to get it, but look at
Okay, now that we got the rotor off, I got the caliper sitting on the jack stand so I don't put pressure on this brake caliper line. What I'm gonna do is, you're gonna have to keep this ring because the wheel bearings don't come with that. So make sure you keep that ring. Got the old rotor off. You can go ahead, slide the new rotor on, put the wheel bearings in it, and this side will be all cinched up and ready to go. So what I'm going to do now is clean up all of this right here with some brake parts cleaner. Just spray that inside, clean it up, make it look nice and pretty so I don't get no dust follicles on the new rotor. There's a seal inside of here that you gotta press in. So what I'm gonna do is use a piece of wood and I'm going to lay it flat on top of the seal after I put the bearing in there, after I grease it all up, and tap it inside of there, and it should end up just like that. I don't have a press or anything, so we're just gonna use a block of wood.
money make you take the shot and pass the rock till you got enough cash to make his bae watch. Now you going Hasselhoff off that Asherov. I seen kids go sell to their family for them ends, ruin their bloodline for a Benz just to go pick up their fucking friends. It's addictive.
Wait a minute, where you going? Before you leave, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, leave us a like, and hit the notification bell so you get a notification every single time we drop a new video. And always remember, work hard so you can live free.